Bro Akon was saw a lady at the back of his shadow. A lady wants to jump so she can get into Bro Akon's Lamborghini Gallardo. Bro Akon will kick the lady who goes to the driver's seat because Bro Akon is the driver. When that happens, the woman will bow down in pain. Among the women, there was one lady who took a little drink placed in the glass. He turned it upside down so it spilled. You can put the nonsense of Bro Akon in the bank. Give the kitty cat claws. A pedicure and manicure so the lady can climb up and down the pole. Bro Eminem did not feel the woman crawling behind his because he was numb. So he only knew when he saw the lady. The lady ran. Bro Eminem chased her. But Bro Eminem did not catch her because Bro Eminem did not want to waste time, and Bro Eminem went back to his place. Bro Eminem's crib and the club are like a mile apart. Bro Akon is a friend of Bro Eminem, whether a lady play with Bro Eminem or not. Eminem and All Amazing are rolling. Bro Akon will throw them as soon as possible, more than 3 times. Same as Tire Style. The lady wanted Bro Akon just a while ago. Bro Akon will hit the ladies on the floor. He is not satisfied yet, he said. Give him other ladies that he can hit on the floor. Bro Akon will smack you until you get sore.